Welcome to AlemHealth's AI-powered reporting mode, a revolutionary approach to radiology reporting that combines cutting-edge artificial intelligence with your clinical expertise. In this demonstration, we'll show you how our intelligent system streamlines the entire reporting process, from initial reporting through final quality control. Start by opening any study from your work list. AI reporting works seamlessly whether or not images are associated with the study, giving you complete flexibility in your workflow. Click on Report to begin the reporting process. Here you have two options. You can choose from predefined reporting templates to specifically tune the AI assistant's output, or you can let the AI automatically select the most relevant template for your report. Whether you've selected a template or allowed the AI to generate one automatically, the next step is to enter your initial image interpretations. You can choose to dictate your findings through the AI dictation option or type in your findings through the typing option. For this video, we'll choose typing. Once you've entered your findings, click the Generate Report button. The AI engine will analyze your input and create a comprehensive report, typically within 10 to 30 seconds, depending on the complexity of the case. During this process, the AI will merge your input with the selected template, autofill normal anatomical structures, insert relevant clinical details, and highlight all AI-generated content for easy review. This intelligent automation saves valuable time while maintaining clinical accuracy. The AI-generated preliminary report now appears in your editor. This is a critical step. Carefully review the content for accuracy, completeness, and clinical relevance. Preview the full report in the right panel and use the built-in formatting toolbar to enhance readability. You can bold key findings, add bullet points or numbered lists, and insert section headers as needed. Remember, all report content remains fully editable, giving you complete control over the final output. After reviewing and making any necessary adjustments, you're ready to finalize your work. Before saving, confirm that the report accurately reflects your diagnostic assessment. Click Save As and select As Final Report when you're ready to submit. The moment you save your report as final, AlemHealth's QC Assistant mode automatically activates, taking quality assurance to the next level. This enhanced feature provides real-time interaction and cutting-edge AI technology to refine and elevate the quality of your reports through in-depth, actionable quality checks. The AI instantly analyzes your finalized report text to generate a detailed RAD-Peer score and highlights potential issues with thorough explanations, ensuring clinical accuracy and compliance. Unlike traditional quality control systems, the QC Assistant presents potential issues as interactive cards rather than static lists. Each card provides valuable context with detailed explanations of why the AI flagged specific text, such as vague phrasing or insufficient characterization, along with tailored recommendations on how to enhance the report for better clinical completeness. Findings are color-coded based on the RAD-Peer scoring system to help you prioritize your workflow efficiently. Green indicators represent minor observations, orange highlights moderate findings requiring attention, and red alerts identify critical findings requiring immediate action. You can now manage findings directly within the interface with several intuitive options. Agree and Fix allows you to acknowledge a potential finding and mark it for correction with a single click. Ignore lets you dismiss findings that don't require action while maintaining a complete audit trail for documentation purposes. Mark as Fixed enables you to document resolved corrections, creating a clear review trail. And if you change your mind, all actions are reversible through the undo function, providing complete flexibility during your review. Once you've addressed the QC findings, your report is complete and ready for final sign-off. The QC Assistant interface is fully translated and available in English, Spanish, French, and Portuguese, ensuring accessibility for diverse teams worldwide. By combining intelligent report generation with automatic quality assurance, AlemHealth empowers radiologists to work smarter, faster, and with greater confidence. The system doesn't just help you create reports. It ensures they meet the highest standards of clinical quality before they reach your patients. Your workflow? Enhanced. Your reports? Perfected. Your quality? Assured. Start experiencing the complete AI-powered reporting workflow with AlemHealth today.